Okay, so we've talked about MLA format. Now we're going to talk about the works cited page and how to cite it in MLA format. So what is the works cited page? Well, it's the page that lists all of the sources that you used in your essay. And what is the purpose of it? Well, a works cited page helps your reader easily see where you got your information from. By standardizing it and making everybody use the same format, it helps make that information really accessible and really easy to use. So let me show you what it kind of looks like. Here is an example from our jellyfish article. You're going to have the page number and the last name. It's going to be called the works cited page. And then each of your sources are going to include a group of information. And I'm going to show you how to do this. Now, luckily for you, I'm not going to make you come up with this on your own, learn this format. Instead, you're going to be using what we call a citation generator. So I'm going to show you how that works. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to get onto the website that's on Canvas. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to determine what type of source you used. That could be a web page, journal article, book, video, online news article. Now, most of the stuff you have is going to be website pages, but sometimes those website pages are connected to journal articles, books, videos, or online news articles. So I'm going to start first by showing you a journal article. Now, for the journal article, I need the article title. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to show you how I knew it was a journal article. By looking at, there's a few things that gave it away. One, journal list. Right here, it says it has a volume number. National Library of Medicine, okay? If it's a library, there's going to be lots of journals, right? And even this, the abstract, background, methods, those are all things that let me know, hey, this is a journal article. So I'm going to copy and paste the name of my Sudoku journal article, and I'm going to paste it here. And it's going to come up with some options. This one is the perfect match of the name, so it's probably the right one. Now, I'm not going to push cite just yet. I want to make sure all of the information that they have is correct. Now, you're not going to have to format it, but you do need to check the citation information because they're not always correct. So I'm going to push edit, and then I'm going to come look through all of these different sections. So first, the title. Now, the title's obviously going to be right because I copied and pasted it from online. The next thing is the journal name and the author. So I look at these names that I cannot say and the journal name and make sure that those match up with my website. So first, translational neuroscientist, science, yep, that was the journal name. And here are the author names. They match up. Okay, we're good. The next thing they want is the volume number. So coming back, this might be a little bit harder to find, but if I look, it's probably going to be on the top. If I look, volume 11, and it was published in 2020, that's also important. Anything else, 11, 2020, oh, here's the pages that it goes through, so 419 to 427. So volume number, issue number, date published, saw that, that's good. Page numbers, okay, all of this looks great. So I can cite this source. Ba-ba-da-bum. Okay, I've done one, and then all you have to do is copy it to clipboard, and then you can paste it onto your work. Now, it's best to collect all of your sources first, and then copy and paste them, and I'll show you why in a minute. So I'm going to show you one more. It's a web page, and it's called 15 Games That Might Make You Smarter Just by Playing Them, and it talks about Sudoku, which is my topic. So I'm going to do copy, come over, and paste the website link in, okay? That looks right. The title went up, web page pics. Now I've got to check all of the information. Okay, so title's good, website name. Coming back here, it's Business Insider, right? Insider, Business Insider. Okay, great. How about the contributors? Who is the author? Insider Picks. Okay, that to me doesn't look right. I think that's the column name. So let's get rid of that. Let's see if we can find the author's name. And sometimes you're not going to find it, and that's okay, but try your best. Look here. Oh, right here. By Maria Layton. I'm just going to copy her name over. I'm going to paste it. First name, last name, role author. Got it. Got a person. Publication date. So this says it was published in 2021. Let's check that in June. Nope. This was 2017, August 8th. So I'm going to come back here. 2017, August 8th. I'm not really sure where they got this date from. Was it August 8th? Yeah. But it's very wrong. So I'm going to fix that. Access date is going to be today. Just push that. And then the URL they should have right because you gave it to them. So, again, this is why it's important to check your to push edit and not just cite it, and check their work. I will be looking for that as well, because that is a important part of MLA format is citing it correctly. Okay, now if these were all of my sources, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come here and push copy to clipboard. Okay, and I've already done this a few times, so it's not going to show up for me. But on yours, it's going to give you two options. One of them is going to be copy for Google Docs. Push that option. Then you're going to go to your document, and your document should already be formatted in the correct format, and you're just supposed to push paste. And hopefully for you, it'll work. Ah, there it goes. Okay, now I'm missing a few things. Well, I'm missing one thing. I need to put works cited. And then I want you to notice a few things. One is what we call these hanging indents. Luckily for you, our works cited generator does the hanging indents for you, but you need to make sure it looks like this. This allows the emphasis to be on the author name, which is going to be what you're going to be including in your in-text citation, making it even easier to find the information quickly. Another important part of your works cited page is it needs to be in alphabetical order. So again, if you put in all of your sources at the end, your sources will be in alphabetical order already. They'll do it for you. But if you do them individually, you'll need to do that. You'll need to put them into alphabetical order for you. Or you'll need to put them in alphabetical order on your own. So A, L, right? So the last name, or whatever comes first, needs to be in alphabetical order. Okay, is there anything else? I think that's it. Here's a checklist that you can look at. Get those citations together.